to tie a square knot in less than a minute. So I have some paracord here. What we're gonna do is my left side has some electrical tape on it, so you'll be able to follow it. So what we'll do first is you're gonna go left over right. You're gonna hold that. You're gonna take your index finger and wrap. So now my electrical tape is on my right side. So now you're gonna do right over left. So you're gonna take your right, loop it around your left, and pull. What you'll wanna see is that your electrical tape ends up where it started, okay? So let's break down the movement even slower. What I find is if you break the movement down into 2 steps, so you want to practice this first step 10 times over. So we'll go left, over right. We're gonna take with our index and our middle finger, you can pinch it, bring it around, and fold. You wanna practice that 10 times over. Second part of the movement is you wanna take your right and go over your left. And again, you can pinch it with your index finger and your middle finger. Bring it through and pull. See how the electrical tape is on the left side.